And today I have some great news. We got our new drone and it's fully functional, so today we're gonna show you how we're feeding the cubs with it. This drone also has some fancy software, so we can actually map the enclosures, and with a simple click we can make the drone fly automatically where we want it to and drop the food.
Armed. Heading to waypoint home. Disarmed. Mode change to loiter.
So I was next to the enclosure while Leonardo was flying the drone, and I managed to get a few shots of how the food landed. So everything is working perfectly. So we're very happy that we got this new piece of equipment, and we thank Vodafone Romania for sponsoring it to us. I'll see you next time.